Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got the OnePlus Buds Z in white color. So this is the second true wireless earphones from OnePlus, and it costs $50 US. So this is much cheaper than the $79 OnePlus Buds original version. And this also has the features that the OnePlus Buds has. So this is the box itself in red and white accent, which is similar to other OnePlus products. Alright, so let's peel this off. Alright, so I guess we have to put it out. There we go. It's pretty hard inside. Doesn't fall out easily, so that's not so good, I would say. Right, there we go. Alright, so yeah, this is the white version. As you can see, the box here is nothing, it's empty. And let's take out the box itself. Oh, it's rather small in size, which you can fit in one hand. So let's see in the box what else we have got. Put this off, and I assume this is empty, maybe, or I'm wrong. Let me see. Yeah, it should be empty here. Nothing. So we've got the paper, I guess. Okay, we have the "Enjoy your new buds" words on the box itself, and this should be the red paper wraps. I mean the paper things for the buds. Right. Okay, so we've got a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is a short one, which you can charge the OnePlus Buds Z. Then we've got the manual over here, right? And then we have the ear tips. So there's 4 of them here. Let me take out real quick. Right. So they are in different sizes. These two. Neat. Right. So that's all we've got in the box. And let's see the buds. Okay. Let's peel off the paper. Right. So it looks pretty small. And it uses a Type-C connector with a physical button here. So let me open it. Right. And the LED comes up. This is the right. And this is the left one. Okay, so as you can see, it looks pretty good. Alright, I'll put it back in the box first. It has a green LED when you put back the earphones. And let's have a quick look at the original OnePlus Buds. So this is original version in not blue, and this is the Buds Z in white. The original Buds is also small, but this is a long version. But I feel that the Buds Z is a little bit heavier than the Buds. Yeah. So that's all for the unboxing. Peace.